Hey guys, I wanted to make a video talking about membranes below finished deck surfaces and some ideas for reporting on them and making it convenient to report on them. So we'll use the keyword search. I'm just going to type membrane or the first four letters, and this is a comment I wrote recently as a due diligence item. So we'll select that. Let's have a look at it here. The building has a deck finished with cement pavers installed over a waterproof membrane. So I used the deck replacement, which is always tricky with these more nuanced comments, but a deck, a balcony, a rooftop deck. So I gave some options there. So maybe this is a rooftop deck finished with wood decking installed over a waterproof membrane. That's pretty slick, huh? So this can work for a lot of different applications. This is a tricky installation to inspect because the waterproof membrane and drain paths for water are not visible below the finished surfaces. This type of decking system requires periodic maintenance where the finished decking surfaces are lifted and selectively removed so the membrane and drain paths can be cleaned and inspected. Removing and reinstalling finished decking surfaces beyond the scope of this inspection. So inspection of this decking system was limited. I've got inquire with the builder for any additional information, inquire with the seller for any additional information, disclose any additional information about the system and any recent maintenance. I recommend additional inspection. So I got 4 different recommendations on this. So I don't know. Give me your feedback. You can shoot me an email, tell me whether you like this, but I think this is kind of a sweet comment that covers a lot of ground. So that's the comment. So now I want to make it where I can get to it with just the click of a button. As you saw, I had to type MEMB to get it. I want to make it even faster. So I have under italics, we call these the inspector only notes. This stuff here is not meant to show up in the report. These are just for the home inspector, just so we can have a cheat sheet, a quick way to get to the comments we want that doesn't involve using the keyword search. So most common observations, I'm going to add this because this kind of comes up a lot. So I'm going to edit this section. It turns green. I'm going to hit the pen, and I'm going to add membrane below finished decking. Probably accurate title there. We'll hit save. Let me hit the save template. Now we do have to go back in. So it's black. I don't have a narrative connected to it, so we're going to hit suggested observations. This is the one I want, and we'll hit next. I'm going to type in, here it is, it just came right up, membrane below finished surfaces. So we'll check that. We'll hit save, save again, and save one more time. So I've now saved my template with this. Excuse me. So now when I want it, I can just hit that. So pretty cool way to, boy, not a lot of typing now, right? We're just checking some boxes and clicking some pull downs, and yet we get a pretty darn nuanced comment. So, all right, guys, I hope this helps. Love your comments and feedback.